Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Oh my God, my dog fell face first into the water bowl.
She okay?
Yeah, she's fine. She's in there, inside the water bowl.
Get her out.
No, she's fine. She's splashing. She's trying to bathe in it. I'm uploading it. I'm going to upload it. Here?
Yes. Hello, shit.
Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Don't say anything, because it's going to go up on Facebook. The man who sold Dream said, buy her a kiddie pool.
I know, I remember that.
She's having the time of her life, making splashing water all over the kitchen floor. Now I'm going to say something. Annie Mae, what are you doing? Annie? Annie, what are you doing? Look at the floor. What are you doing? Are you trying to tell me you need a bath? Annie? Annie Mae. Hey, don't ignore me. She's licking the water off her hands now. Or her feet. Oh, the joys of motherhood with puppies. Alright, this is going up on Facebook.